So grab your favorite white shirt, some friends, some dye. First, let's focus on this no-tie tie-dye technique. This method eliminates the need for tying or folding, making it easier and quicker to create beautiful tie-dye patterns in a fraction of the time and with a minimum of effort. This is more of a spin and dye than a tie-dye. So let's start with our center spiral, and then we'll move on to the spider dye. This technique, you fold the shirt in half and spin right anywhere you want. It'll make a double spiral. So that's an easy technique to add in without having to do any tying. Okay, so a spider is going to look like a cool spider design. Let me show you if I have one. This is one I made the other day. So I don't know if you can kind of see, it looks like a spider head with the spider arms. So how you do that is you fold it in half like I just did, and then we're going to do the spiral but out of the side, and then we'll paint each side differently. As with many of the unique designs in tie-dye, folding a shirt in half really helps make the design have some symmetry and look really cool. We fold it in half, we find a center point, and then we just spin, just like the center spin. But this one's going to give us this interesting spider look. Maybe when you see a tie-dye, you can't tell the difference if it's a full spiral or if it's a spider spiral. Let's see if in this video you can tell the difference. I'm also interested to know which ones you think are the best. As you can see here, even if it's a spider spiral, we still use the pie painting technique and or the full color painting. Let's go! 13 interesting no-tie tie-dyes. It's finally done. It's got some yellow and black and brown. It gives it some real natural colors along with some green and yellow. I try to play with different colors, so using the brown and the black, that was something new. What do you think of black and brown in a tie-dye? This one has black completely on one side and a bunch of cool tones on the other for a really unique spider look. You can see right there where I've tied it up, super simple, it opens up and boom, you're going to have a beautiful, cool shirt. So hopefully you're going to take this to your next tie-dye party and share it with your friends. And the next one is a basic rainbow on one side, number 3, and it's a spider, and I did the black also as a single side so you get that really cool spider. When you do the full color on one side, you get a definite spider. And this is the double spiral. Painted it in some cool tones, and then painted it all one mermaid green on the other side, and we'll just have to see how it looks. So purple on one side, and I did like blue spirals on the other side, so let's see what we get. So this is really easy. When you just fold a shirt in half, you're going to get that double spiral, and use any of your favorite colors, or even just use solid colors, and you're going to get these amazing looks super fast. So it's another no tie, easy tie-dye. And this one is 2 colors. You just paint one side in one color and one side in the other color, and you're still going to get it. This was the spider fold, so we're going to get the, looks like we got some mermaid and some lilac there for a spider. Looks great. Some of my favorites are just the 2 colors. I love doing a solid black on one side and a purple, this is lilac, on the other side. It always turns out awesome. You get a little bit of white in the design too. Beautiful. Simple. You can do it with any 2 colors. This is another 2 colors. This one is mermaid on one side, and then this is a new color I've just got called coral. It's possibly a teal green with that coral. Those are pretty popular colors right now. You got the cool tone and then the very warm tone. And you'll see there, that's how the spider is on the side. You just open it up. You can do it with any 2 colors, and you're going to get some really nice looks. Just a 2 color kid's shirt. It's painted bright pink on one side and then turquoise on the other. And so you paint one side on each side with the spiral. That's what you get. I had over 15 tie-dyes on this video to start with. There's so many that are just very simple. Like this one, there's two colors, only orange on one side and blue, and then this side is a multiple of weird colors, and you'll get some cool design still as long as you follow some sort of a structure. And the no fold technique makes it the best. You just spin and then you're going to paint. You can try out some wild colors like this one. I tried out some black and brown on the back of a rainbow. So I created this new brown. I had ChatGPT help me figure out how to create brown. And there it is. It looks pretty cool. Hopefully you'll let me know which one you think is the best. And I'd love to see what you've designed and what you've made. Let's start doing some hashtags with the tie-dyes that you make. I'm going to make a morning dew mindset at Instagram here soon so we can all share our tie-dyes. And number 13 is a rainbow with purple on the other side. One of my favorites also. Look at that, gorgeous. A regular spiral right out of the center with purple. I just want to thank all of you guys for watching, and I'd love it if you'd give me a thumbs up and or share this video and or comment. I'm really not sure who watches these videos, but I'm sure having a good time making them, and I know that some people are learning to tie-dye better. So hopefully I'll hear from you soon in the comments, and I look forward to sharing my next video, which is going to be an unboxing of Procyon dye. I've got a couple more in the lineup queue too, so hopefully you'll stay with me. See you soon. Happy tie-dyeing.